Hello, everyone. So, once again, I welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So, my dear friends, today I am here with a new topic and with a new tutorial. And the tutorial name is how to set up your online appointment, okay, through Calendly. So, today I am going to explain about this tool. So, without waste any time, let's continue on the screen. And once again, I urge you do subscribe my channel and like and subscribe, and also share your feedback in comment below. So without wasting time, let's continue. It's our screen, and you just put it here, Calendly, in a browser. Just wait for a minute, just wait for a few seconds, and just click on the Calendly. So now you can see it's the front web page of your Calendly. Now you can see Calendly helps you schedule meetings without the back and forth email. It means today you can see the people, there are so many marketers, network marketers, digital marketers. They are appointee and invite the people through online meetings. So it's look like as a professional way, right? So first of all, you just put it your email ID like that. I just put it my email ID and click on the sign up. It take a few time, and now it's your dashboard. I recommend one thing here. I already create my account, and it's there is no hard and fast rule. It's a very simply, you just put it your email ID in your sign up option, and it asks some few questions like as your contact number, your email ID, and it's a very simple process to generate your Calendly uh, account. Now this is the front of your Calendly. You can say this is your dashboard, right? Event type, schedule events, workflows. Now let me explain you very quickly. It's your account. You can be set your account here, like such like as your profile picture. Let's see, upload your picture. You just click here and yeah, I just choose this one. You can also adjust the picture, yes, and apply it. It's your name, your profile name. It's same as Sunil Chauhan, and this is your welcome page. You can be when somebody who your invitee, your potential customer. Okay, you can give him a welcome message here. So according to your, okay, you can be write your any message, welcome message, and language in English, date. You can also choose the format, month, day, year, day, month, year. It's up to you. And time format 12-hour AM PM, okay, country India, and you also set up your time zone and save the changes. You just click on here, automatically save the changes. Let me save it, right? So the next one is a branding. You can also upload your business logo, your branding. Let's assume I choose this one. Yes, similarly you will also change and adjust your branding. Let's see, and apply the changes, right? Calendly brand, if you want it's on right now, you see here, okay, this slider bar. If you want to do off, so you can be do off and on and off, okay, and click the save changes. Yes, and this is my link. You know, there is a plus point in Calendly when automatically generate a free URL link. And you also create your own custom link. Suppose that if you want change like that, Sunil uh, appointment appointment appoint 30-minute call, free call, like that. It's unavailable. Just a moment, 1 second. 30-minute call. Okay, this one is done. So you see here, I create my own custom URL link. Similarly, you click on your account option, billing, calendar, connection. You can also make the connection with your Google Calendar. You click this link, click this option, and here is a calendar connection. You just click add calendar option here. The basic plan allow one calendar connection. I think it, it's for paid version. It's for paid version. So leave it this one. It's for paid version. We don't we because we are using for only for free. So avoid this one. Okay, now it's okay. Now the next one is come to the point after save changing. Let's move on the home. You know, in a Calendly there are two options. Number one is a free option and second one is a pro option. It's depend upon you, but I am using basically free version. Okay, now you here you see there are options. These are the predefined Calendly invite and setup, book call and appointment call. You can be create on your first event also. If you want to delete this one, you can be delete one. Now let's see, we create our first event. Just create here event type, on off meeting. We just choose event type. You can see here now which type of the event you want to be choose. Here is two type of event types. Number one is a one-to-one and group. It means you can be invited the person, a potential customer, your potential customer. Okay, he will fill the information one-to-one and in a group. It's depend upon you. So most probably we are in a service and product in a marketing. So one-to-one is too good. Basically I am using this one-to-one. Now you can type your event name. This is your first event is this. First scheduling your meeting, event time, event name, like that. Discover your call, like this. And location. Now here it is very, very important. Suppose that you want to arrange the meeting on which location. Location is in-person meeting, in phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Team. These are the various options. So most probably I preferred Zoom because I love Zoom. So I invite the maximum people in through my Zoom, through my online meeting in a Zoom. So you can be use Zoom. So when you click here, I want to share some information. When you click on the Zoom, you are a first, you are visiting first time in Calendly. So here is a some integration option is here. You just will click on that integration option and automatically it will generate your Zoom and Calendly both are in a one connection, right? So here is the description about your instruction. You just type welcome in this uh, welcome to the meeting, meetings, arena, like like add this. It's depend upon you, your requirement, as per your requirement. Now here is a very unique features here. You can bold it, right? Let's see, underline, bold, italic, and also have a unique feature. You just will make the link. In some time we also want the person who click on this link, it's called be hyperlink, and uh, we redirect him in another our website, in YouTube, in our Instagram handle. So you can also make the link here. You just put that URL link here and insert this one. So there is another feature in Calendly. So invite link, you see here, Calendly dot 30 minutes call, discover your call, right? And this one, your event color, you can be choose any event color. It's depend upon you. Now our event is ready right now. Just click on the next button. Yes. Now see here in the next page what we do. Now we can be, it's your book event, a person who book this event, right? Suppose that a person who want invitee, your invitee who book which kind of the event you want to be create right now. So this is like that 30 minutes, 60 minute and 60-minute rolling calendar days. It's depend upon you. Invitee can schedule. Invitee can schedule 60 minutes calendar days. It's depend upon you. Suppose that I put it here 30 days calendar. Okay. Within a date range, you also set up your date range. When you click on here, from today is the 14th May. So according you can be set up your date range. But it's okay for 30 days. I just choose this one. I'm comfortable with this one. Now the next option is duration. What kind of the duration you want? Suppose that if you want 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, it's depend upon you. And also here is the custom. It means you can also set up your custom, you can customize your duration. So I go with the 30 minutes, right? Use an existing schedule, set custom hours. So if you already create your existing schedule, this one, weekly hours, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and if you want to be set up new, set custom hours. So here you can say, suppose that I am not available on Sunday and Saturday. I just uncheck this box, right? And you can also set up your date and time. Suppose that I am available on Monday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you set up according your uh, time. What to add this before or after your event? If you want to set up anything also before and after, you can be set up like that. He want to get the confirmation of call, meeting call. So before 15 minutes, he can be get the information before 15 minutes, and same here and after. Now next one is a click on the next. Now we can see here, discover your call is ready to accept the event. This is our link right now, but we have to add some feature, additional options like that. Invite question. Suppose that if we want to be asked the some questions from invitee, so we can be create here invite questions already preloaded here. Name, email plus one questions. Name, email. Now I want to be add a new questions, like as I also want his contact number. WhatsApp, WhatsApp number, WhatsApp number, required field. Okay, you just click here. So it's mandatory. One line and apply here. See here, it's available right now. So now we have asked questions, invite name, email. Please share anything you want to be help prepare for our meeting, WhatsApp number. So these are the another options, additional features also, and click here for save and close. It's saved right now. And the next one is a notification and cancellation policy. Calendar invitation, because it's in a paid option. So if you do these are the email reminder. If you want to give the email reminder, these are the upgrade versions. So I think we don't need about this. You have to pay for this for paid version. So it's okay. Now come to the home. It takes a little bit time. Now see here, discover your call, your 30 minutes one-to-one. You can now what you do, you can be share in your platforms, in your social media handles, and you can also copy this link. Now you just click here, just and see, just see, this is your front for your invitee. You can see here, this is your brand logo and profile pic, and this is your discovery of call, duration 30 minutes, welcome to the meeting arena, web conference detail. Now someone, suppose that your invitee who having 18 Tuesday 18th May. Now he can be select according his time, like 2 p.m. Now confirm, and that person enter his name, email, okay, and he want to be some add some extra thing, and WhatsApp number, and schedule event. You can also add the guest if you want to be, if you want to be invite some another peoples, so you can also use the add guest. So this is about all the Calendly. I hope I provide you a value. Make sure once again, uh, I wish you all of the best, because I need uh, your comments, and uh, your comments always be encourage me, motivate me to make another this kind of videos. So thank you so very much. And if you want to know more what type of business I do, so click the link in my description, where I will share each and everything. So thank you so very much. Bye bye.